Mastering possessive adjectives. Claim what's yours in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to tackle an important aspect of English grammar, possessive adjectives. We'll learn about their function and how to use them effectively in sentences. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. Possessive adjectives, as the name suggests, are used to show ownership or possession. They're called adjectives because they describe or modify the noun that comes after them. The possessive adjectives in English are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. These words help us to understand who or what something belongs to. Example: this is my book. We are at their house. Now that we've defined what possessive adjectives are, let's learn how to use them correctly in sentences. Note: possessive adjectives always come before the noun they are modifying. Her cat is black. In this sentence, her is the possessive adjective modifying cat. It shows that the cat belongs to her. It's my birthday today. Here, my is the possessive adjective modifying birthday. It indicates that the birthday belongs to me. Their presentation was impressive. In this sentence, there is the possessive adjective modifying presentation. It suggests that the presentation was given by them. It's common for English learners to confuse possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns or contraction words. But don't worry, we'll clear up this confusion right now. Possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, are different from possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. For example, we say, this is my book, not, this is mine book. But we do say, this book is mine. The possessive adjective, its, is often confused with its, which is a contraction of it is or it has. Remember, its shows possession, while its is a contraction. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on possessive adjectives. We hope this video has been useful in helping you understand how to use these critical elements in English grammar. Remember, practice is key. So, try to use these possessive adjectives in your daily English conversations to get more comfortable with them. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and happy learning.